Today our customers are facing a lot of hybrid threats. So it is not enough to consider the typical warfare scenarios, but we need to think together with our customers in order to best support them. At HENSOLDT, we offer a comprehensive portfolio of mission avionics and sensors spanning across the complete electromagnetic spectrum. And with that, we are in the perfect position to put all those sensors and avionics together and offer a comprehensive solution to the customer.
But what we're seeing is a very different environment these days where the terrorist threat is much more sophisticated. So what we're able to do is take all of the sensor capability throughout the different divisions of HENSOLDT and pull them together in a coherent fashion.
By the combination of our mission avionics and sensor portfolio, we can offer solutions to the customer for actually all defense and security operations.
The idea is to make something totally new with large number of high-resolution sensors combined with some powerful visualization that is the baseline for totally new applications.
Today, one of the upcoming threats that we see, not only in the military but also in the commercial area, is the use of drones.
Drone is a classic asymmetric threat. It's a very unsophisticated piece of equipment. It's very readily available. It's relatively inexpensive, and it could cause enormous damage, even without causing damage. Simply coming into an environment, whether it's a rock concert, whether it's a football stadium, it can scare a lot of people.
In order to face that threat, we have designed a solution called Xpella, which mixes cameras, radar, and radio to counter that threat. We could search the area with radar first in order to see if there are any upcoming threats that could be a UAV, and then confirm it with a camera. And in order to protect the area, we would jam the drone and keep the area that we are protecting safe.
Whereas in the past, HENSOLDT has been offering individual sensors into a particular application, we're now able to offer to the customer all of the sensor requirement he needs from one place that he can trust, and not only the sensors but the turnkey solution. That's a huge benefit to the customer.